Are you planning a trip to the Bluegrass State? Perhaps you're looking at the Northern Kentucky region. You want to visit the Creation Museum or the Ark Encounter? We've got some helpful information for you. Stay tuned. This Holiday Inn Express and Suite is conveniently located off I-71 at exit 171, Richwood, Kentucky. Let's take a tour. Welcome back to the channel, folks. For those of you that are new, I'm Mary. I was born and raised right here in Northern Kentucky. Created this channel for folks traveling to the Bluegrass State. We will be exploring the best of Kentucky, including Noah's Ark and the Creation Museum, as well as many other family-friendly adventures. Today we're touring the Holiday Inn and Suites. It's at the Ridgewood exit, I-75. You can see that there's a nice bench outside, smoking area, covered parking. You can pull up to reserve or go into the reservation desk. Let's go on in. Luggage carts are available upon arrival. We have a nice, warm, inviting area here. You'll check in, get everything you need. If you forgot any last minute things in here in the gift shop that we'll tour later. The breakfast nook area, we'll have breakfast in the morning, and the business center. 24-hour coffee is provided. This is grounded fresh per cup. We're gonna tour a king suite, keyless entry card. Step right in. We have everything that you could want for your stay in this kitchenette here. Microwave, the Keurig with the supplies. If you don't see what you need, just ask downstairs. Ice bucket is available. A nice refrigerator. This breakfast nook, you can see I'm already using it as my drop zone. If you've been following me, you know a drop zone is very important. Look at this living room. They do have a reading area here in the back. I neglected to get that lamp turned on, but we'll do that. Push of a button. Very calm, cool colors here. It's all laid out beautifully. That mounted TV here with the luggage rack, very nice. Gonna show you those chargers are available here in this unit. A full length. Let's take a look inside the closet here. Armoire. Plenty of hangers provided. Bed in a bag for the living room couch. You have a nice safe there. Ironing board and iron. Everything you would need for your clothing options. More luggage space. You know I love the hooks. And IHG has an Avid property that it's all about those hooks. We have another mounted TV, again with more built-in charging stations, set of dresser drawers, a nice office space. I love these lamps that are just a simple tap. Floating nightstands, nice king bed. Again, look, IHG properties, they do an awesome job with the charging ports and mounted light systems, TV, all of that. I'll let you know tomorrow morning in my hotel review how my night's stay was. While I did not stay in the accessible suite, I did have an opportunity to tour the restroom of an accessible suite. As promised, we're going to tour the bathroom of a handicap suite. You can see it has the built-in chair. Look at the adjustable shower head, plenty of grab bars. The amenities are mounted just like they are here. We have a very nice deep sink. You can see that it's roll-up accessible. Look at the transition there. You're able just to roll right into the shower. Let's step around and show you all the grab bars that are over here. Plenty of room in this handicap suite. Amenities make your stay at any hotel so much better. Let's take a look. We have a nice pool area. It goes from 3 foot 9 inches all the way down to, it's looking like 5 foot. And then they have a spa. Look at that, folks. Safety rolls, nice chairs. Very, very nice. Let's check out the fitness center, which is open 5:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. Children younger than 16 must be accompanied by adult. That's pretty standard. Keyless entry will get you in. You can see that they provide water. Look at this nice equipment. Yes, this is updated equipment. Very, very nice. Nice stair stepper with all the amenities that you could want. And the treadmill here. Very nice, very clean. They even do provide a scale. Very nice. The business center is conveniently located off of the breakfast area. You can see that they have a printer provided. Great for printing off those tickets back to the airport, Newport Aquarium. If you're going up to the Ark Encounter, Creation Museum, look at all this available space. And I bet this is the charging ports. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Let's go on over to the gift shop. Look, we've got all kinds of ice cream, some breakfast and dinner options. Ben and Jerry's there for folks. Coca-Cola products, Gatorade is available. Different types of snacks for any sweet tooth. If you need any over-the-counter or sundry items, even some Pampers, swimming Pampers, this is good. Macaroni and cheese, ramen. There are some chips, Baglays, Doritos, and some other cups. Oh, we don't want to miss the Pop-Tarts, do we? Good morning, sunshine. Time for breakfast. Let's check out their breakfast. They have the famous cinnamon rolls, their hash brown potatoes, sausage links, scrambled eggs. Cereals include Fruit Loops, Cheerios, and Frosted Flakes. And let's not forget about that Quaker oatmeal. And they do have brown sugar raisins and pecans to add to your oatmeal. I'm not for sure what that is. Fresh fruit is available. Juices of the day, orange, apple, cranberry, and water is on tap. Let's take a look in here. You have fat-free milk, a variety of yogurts. Your cream cheese and butter is available. Waffles in a minute flat are available. They have peanut butter as well as butter. They've got regular syrup and yep, it's all regular syrup. And then up here, the Smucker's sugar-free. Let's try out this breakfast, do a little tasting. Scrambled eggs, I like mine with salt and pepper. Went on it and got some sausage links and some potatoes there. And of course, a cup of coffee. The sausage is very good. I like mine well done, as you can see. It was cooked fresh this morning. Those scrambled eggs are fluffy. These potatoes are really good. I enjoy those. This is your standard IHG Holiday Inn breakfast. It's very good. They know how to do breakfast in the morning. I couldn't leave without trying Holiday Inn's signature cinnamon rolls. So warm, soft, doughy. That cinnamon is so good in that glaze. A great little treat in the morning. Like I said, folks, this is just a tasting. So I'll save that for a mid-morning little treat. It's time, folks, to wrap up this hotel tour and give you a hotel review, my final thoughts of my overnight stay at the Richwood exit off I-75. My suite was spacious. It was huge, to be honest with you. That living room would be perfect for a multi-generational family. I had everything I needed. It was clean. The restroom was huge. I spent the night. The hotel was near the interstate. I never heard traffic, EMT, ambulance, noise, nothing. Didn't hear anything the whole evening. Didn't even hear my air conditioning unit turned on. It was soft, quiet, gentle breeze coming out of that air unit. I did do editing and work at the desk. It was very comfortable. All in all, I enjoyed my time there. All the staff members were awesome. Anything I needed, I asked for directions, recommendations. They were willing to share with me. I would stay again. This hotel was halfway between the Ark Encounter and Creation Museum and very close to the Kentucky State Park named Big Bone Lick State Park. That's something else you need to add to your list, and I will be doing a review of it shortly. Folks, definitely keep the Holiday Inn Express and Suites located in Walton, Kentucky, conveniently off of the Ridgewood exit of I-75 on your short list of places, options to stay when you're in Northern Kentucky. I highly recommend it. Thank you for joining us. If this video was a blessing to you, be sure to subscribe as it helps us grow our channel. Like, comment, and share. We always love hearing from our followers. This channel is journeying through history, faith in the heart of Kentucky. Safe travels. God bless.